Welcome everyone to the MIT Sloan Executive Digital Business Strategy course. I am Jay Mason, Head Facilitator. As you have seen by now, we have an excellent group of participants from at least 40 countries across all 6 continents who are leaders from just about every industry. In these weekly wrap-up videos, I will start with a review of what we covered in the previous module. I'll talk about what is coming up next and provide some tips on how best to proceed. Let's start with a review of Module 1, where we describe the concepts of machine, platform, and crowd. As we transition from minds to machines, products to platforms, core to crowd, rebalancing becomes very important. As with everything, there is a delicate balance to be achieved for growth and sustainability. In video 1, we had an introduction from Eric Brynjolfsson and Andrew McAfee. Brynjolfsson described the power or action and control systems, which is the direction, that were essential to the Industrial Revolution. Now we are in the second machine age of computers, big data, artificial intelligence. These change how we organize work with new pricing and with new business models. Andrew McAfee talked about rebalancing, not a total replacement of minds, machines, products, and core, but a shift more to machines and platforms, and benefiting from the scale and power of the crowd. With the video on Moore's Law, we learned that we are crossing into the second half of the chessboard. With all of the changes that we have seen in recent years, we are only at the early stages of this second half of the chessboard. Imagine what is yet to come. With minds and machines, we learned that minds are buggy, biased, inconsistent. To put it simply, people are funny. Businesses should not overly rely on human judgment. Brynjolfsson described the concept of the hippo, or the highest paid person's opinion. We need to move from hippo-based decision-making to data-driven decision-making. He described complementaries. These complements impact the speed of change. And Andrew McAfee described the transition away from hippo-based decision-making to data-driven decisions at Caesars. Finally, we covered the matrix of change, an effective tool for conveying the impact of complementary and conflicting processes as we transform from current to goal states. For Module 2 on artificial intelligence, this is what you can expect. We'll discuss machine learning and its impact on the reallocation of work. We'll cover neural networks and reinforcement learning, and learn about the increasing areas or functions where machines are simply better performers than humans. In closing, I was glad to see that we kicked off the course with numerous active discussions. I encourage you to keep engaging with your fellow classmates so that you can fully benefit from the highly selective crowd of experienced business professionals. It is rare to have such an opportunity for inspirational and enlightening discussion. Finally, I want to send a sincere thank you to our entire facilitation team. These are your primary points of contact throughout the course, and they are essential to bringing a more human touch to keeping our online virtual education experience in proper balance between minds and machines. Thank you.